where to find edge lighting feature, as well as change effect, color, and advanced settings, and of course, how to enable it for all apps or some apps. This is for the Galaxy A54 smartphone, Android 13, One UI 5.0/5.1. Let's get started. When you're ready to enable this feature here, you'll go into the quick panel access and you'll see the settings right here. Once you're here, you'll go down now to where it says notifications. In the notifications section here, you'll look for what says notification pop-up style. Tap on that one time, and the first thing you want to make sure you have set at the moment is the option that says brief. Okay, make sure it's set to brief, and then you will see the apps to show as brief and an edge lighting feature. All right, so before diving into the edge lighting feature here, we'll go here, and this here basically is telling your phone which apps you want to show the edge lighting brief pop-up style thing to show up. Okay, so you can go with all apps, this option here, or turn it off. And if you only want it to appear for certain apps, you'll make sure this is off. And then you can just turn it on for the apps that you want to have that edge lighting feature to show for. Okay, you can just go down a list and choose the ones that you want it for. And you can come back here and change these settings at any given time. Now that you've done that, now you want to change your style or choose your style, go here, edge lighting style. Now, being that Samsung A54 is a sort of a mid-tier phone, it's still a mid-range phone, you won't get all the effects as you would get on a flagship tier Samsung phone. Okay, so you only get these 6 here, just like the A52 and the A53. All right, so first you got your effects here. You want to choose one of these, and of course you'll just pick the one that you like. All right, and this is one of my favorites here. Now, other than the effect, you got your colors here. You can go with auto or choose one of these color options here, and of course depending on the style that you like. All right, and you can choose from the color palette here and just choose the one that's right for you. Now, other than that, you have the advanced, which basically is the transparency. Transparency is the fadeness of it, how visible it is versus how more visible it is. Okay, so low is more visible, high is less visible. Okay, and then duration is how long it's going to play. So short is 1 second, mid is 2 seconds, and long is about 3 seconds long. Okay, once you've made your changes here, you can come back here. Of course, if you don't like the colors, you can go with what's what, and then be sure to press done so it can save these changes. Okay, now that you have your selected apps, your style of edge lighting, you have this one more cool feature right here, which is color by keyword and was introduced to us since Android 11. All right, this is keyword color selection here. Basically, you'll tap here, and then you can just type in a word. I'm just going to go with the word like. All right, and then I'll press done here, and then you'll see the word appear here. And basically what this does with this word, if it appears in a notification that I just received in that particular app that the edge lighting is available for, that edge lighting will appear in this selected color here rather than the other color or the main color that I've set up with. So in other words, the edge lighting will appear in yellow because it has the word like in that notification. And you can create multiple words if you want to and just colorize your life. Okay, and of course, if you don't like it, you can come back and turn it off or just simply switch to the detailed option. And that is that, everyone. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.